Our family went to Japan for spring break, and our first stop was to Tokyo for 3 days. We landed in Narita Airport. We stayed at the hotel Hyatt Centric Ginza. I'll have a separate video coming soon with more detail about our experience staying there. On our first day, we walked to Tsukiji Outer Market in the morning. Last time when I came here pre-kids years ago, there was a wholesale fish market with fresh tuna auctions super early morning. The inner fish market had moved to Toyosu area now, but the outer market here remains with food stalls and shops. We ate some mochi balls, drank matcha latte at this popular matcha spot, the kids ate candied strawberries, and Dave got his first sashimi fix on our trip. After, we explored and shopped in Ginza, known as the top shopping district in Tokyo. We stopped in Ginza 6, an upscale mall, and went to their rooftop garden. I was happy to see some cherry blossoms since we arrived at the tail end of cherry blossom season. Origami watch.
Hold on, I need to put it on.
Origami watch? Ooh, very nice.
Mommy, look!
What? Oh yeah. This was one of many Don Quixote stores that we went to. I just love their catchy jingle. We ate ramen for dinner at Iburu. This soup broth was one of the tastiest I've eaten. To end the night, we explored this popular alleyway in Shinjuku. We made a morning reservation to Teamlab Planets, which is an immersive art collective. It was such a cool experience.
These potatoes are so big.
One of my favorite things there was where we colored our own animals and saw it turn into life.
Whose is that one? That was yours, right, Devin?
Oh, that's Daddy's.
Well, here's my little guy.
Oh my god!
Keep buffing people, Daddy.
Yeah, he's a bully, huh?
Oh, there's yours, Skylar.
Did you see?
There's yours. Okay, thank you. Okay, where's mine?
You're stepping on Mommy's butterfly. And here's Daddy's salamander. We're all up family. Mommy's following me. You guys all left me. I'm like lazy.
Where are you?
Oh, he's
Yours
like,
is-
I'm tired.
Yours is huge. Oh, sorry. The floating flower garden was so pretty. After finishing Teamlab, we took a nice stroll to a nearby mall called Urban Dock Lalaport to eat lunch. We ate at the food court so everyone could pick whichever type of food they preferred. Next, we went to experience the busiest pedestrian crossing in the world, Shibuya Scramble Crossing. I bought a drink at Starbucks, and we got to see a good view of the crossing from above. What is it? Let me see. Minion? You got the minion. What you got? We ate some snacks at a robot cafe called Parlor. The kids had so much fun here interacting with the robots.
wanted to have it all and still do.
We spent the morning in Asakusa with our first visit at Ninja Cafe for a unique and fun experience of ninja training. We made a reservation in advance for here. Show me your ninja move. Show it to me.
Oh, yes.
I've got the same one at home.
Oh,
I realized successful ninja star throwing is much harder than it looks.
oh.
Wow!
What a song is that? Show them how. Whoa!
Good job!
Oh.
Of course, we had to visit Tokyo's oldest temple, Senso-ji Temple.
One has kinked under my knees.
Oh, hello!
That's his house now. You could pet them.
Yeah, you can pet them.
You guys got it.
We went to an animal cafe that was just a few minutes walk from the temple after, called Pignic Cafe, where we had our own private area to spend time with friendly micro pigs.
You guys are both wearing black. Which one's mommy? Can mommy wave?
Mommy, I have a dog.
Which one are you guys gonna name Peppa?
We had to get a favorite Japanese dessert, taiyaki fish. For lunch, we ate delicious tuna donburi and oyakudon, a chicken and egg rice bowl. Next, we went to Tokyo Skytree. We didn't make reservations to go up to their observation deck, but we walked around the mall and checked out Pokemon Center and the Ghibli store. For dinner, we headed back to our hotel neighborhood of Ginza and ate at a nice udon noodle restaurant. Until next time, Tokyo, on to our next Japan destination. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe.